The ancient Khasi festival of Shad Nongkrem was celebrated with traditional grandeur at Smit, the cultural capital of Hima Khyrim, about 20 kilometers from Shillong. The festival, held in honor of Ka Blei Synshar, the goddess of fertility and prosperity, was presided over by the Syiem of Hima Khyrim, Dr. Balajied Syiem. During the event, the Syiem performed the sacred Pomblang ceremony along with the high priests, offering sacrifices and prayers to Lei Shillong, the deity of Shillong Peak. The celebration was attended by Deputy Chief Minister Preston Song, East Shillong MLA Ampreen Lingdo, traditional heads, dignitaries and other invitees.
Mikirman ni idangnya iru bang kapil kalau nak kampanye dia pergi nusyak kin dunai banyak kepada jumlah tu ladala dia nak kambun su dia nomor ni ikut kin nusyak ru om tom nak hima cumi ikut nak keleng bentar juga keri cumi dia pun nusyak keleng bentar kami sabi di nak pinti nomor apa di Syiem of Hima Khyrim, Hima Khyrim pro, dalam bandar ke nyampur kom, kemudian dekat ketem keput kesalahan, wah minyak kayak kecoba, lagi kami buat, bahkan pencingan yang iru, Syiem nota, dan siapa kador, bumpat ikan orim, jom temai nopor. Ini kerana kan bagi ibor Synsar. Agak jelas macam ni. Kan petlem kan kamtam. Jika jing tray jing kata, jing kamai jong kun keri kamtam senang dong lembah kerep keriang. Mai i ba katrot sebut ka rukom rep ke jong ni kamu organize kamu sertifikat di lon telhon nong rep beklan ban ya sai nak kamta ka hok ka joki ndri ha kari jongi bon sien ni long marui ngim don kata ka kon ka ban te song ini ban pengklan ni kinorap ban dawa iki ai ki bangi sutu idai ki benta ki bak ki bos sarkar ki den pendap na kamta ka ba ka met ki kinorap ban kham kenti ka yo kot kham tam sino kon dong ya si ka brede ta ka jing puli ka bra men nyarap pen im ni kham tam sino kon dong do pun hi bopri ini kita jipuli rendai ke kam kajam, kabar duna kam kajam, imio nomor tar lagi datang kita pelihat penti lembaga rep kilat direp bertemai kemudian biang penbit susu ya kajing mi nak rep kerang ban long kajing emiki bat kan kerja cuma pun ini nuksa menairu kumai support price kajing rep mungkin em kino rep kan dia setan kata nomor i central government ru ketrekam sibun nak untuk kino rep ya balik ke ba ke balun mulai apa jelas ini dia menyok banyak kata itu apa bagi dia ban petlem kan kamtam ai priority kini bagi ai priority lem ke tourism ke itu kamtam nak tak jingrap kan.
Earlier, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma extended greetings to the people, describing Shad Nongkrem as a vibrant testament to Meghalaya's cultural identity and unity. Blending devotion, dance and tradition, the festival continues to uphold the living heritage of the Khasi community while drawing visitors from across the region and beyond. Women adorned in traditional attire performed Kashat Kanthe, while men participated in Kashat Maste, their rhythmic movements accompanied by drums and flute. Adding to the festival's charm, Khasi maidens wore the rare Deolasuban flower on their crowns, a symbol of purity and grace.
I think every year we used to attend this Nongkrem dance, where we call it, and the Hima Khyrim, I think one of the biggest Hima, you say, they do conducting the customary practices every year, and again today is the last day, and being the last day, I think we have seen it, I've experienced it. I used to attend almost every annual event that we have, and I'm so thankful to the Syiem of Hima Khyrim, and also I would like to say that because even myself and my constituency is part of this Hima Khyrim, so I'm so proud seeing the turnout of the people during this annual festival, and I'm very sure with this festival that we are having every year, it will bring more blessings to the entire Hima as well as to the state of Meghalaya. See, if you talk about the cherry blossom festival, it's totally different from this festival. This is a customary laws, I should say. It's also a spiritual festival, I should say. Whereas if you talk about the cherry blossom festival that we have, where the government also is part of it, it's totally different. This is to make sure that the exposures of our talents that we have in the state of Meghalaya, different singers we have, different talented young boys and young girls. So that is already, I think that is totally different, I should say, from the festival that we are having. And now I'm telling you, we are fully a part of the spiritual festival that we are having, be it Wangkala dance, be it Nongkrem dance, be it Khasi dance. We are part of it, and be it what we call it, be it from Joy, that Battling Club. So government used to give some kind of assistance annually to these traditional bodies, so that they can preserve, they can further strengthen the event that we have every year.